Howdy y'all, Fuzzy Biker here at Baxter Cycle in Marnie, Iowa. Check out all these motorcycles they got laying around today. They've got a big event starting August 18th and 19th, 2023, and all these motorcycles are part of that. And this is just a small group of them here. I think I counted something like 22 or 3 or 4, something like that back through here. These are all demo bikes. Big old 1200 Triumph in there. Antique, some race mini bikes. They got some racing going on. This beautiful Triumph here. Check out this Royal Enfield race bike. Isn't that just something? We'll try to do a better video on this one later. I was talking to its owner. It's quite a bike. There's the original Scram. Jumping over here, we rode this bike a couple days ago. Another beautiful Enfield. Triumphs galore. Well, what do you think? It's a great day to be alive, isn't it? Okay, let's walk down and check some other stuff out. Another hot rod mini bike for the race Sunday. Stepping into the shop, check this out. Triumph, I believe. I can't tell if it's a 650 or a 750. Carbs look different. Disc brake. Must be the tank. Good looking, good looking. And over here, is that a BS? No, that's a Triumph. Triumph, check it out, 500. Look at that front end, doesn't that look sharp? Wahoo, I like it. I like it. Up here in the shop area, they've got everything kind of moved around. That's the 120-year anniversary model they've got. This is the Project Origin bike. We did a video on this yesterday, or the other day. And of course, just a whole plethora of other things. Of course, all the gear, t-shirts, accessories, everything you can imagine. Speaking of t-shirts, check this one out. Wahoo! All right, let's see what we got out here. Baxter Cycle, baxtercycle.com, Baxter Cycle, Marnie, Iowa. A little bit of the showroom here. It's a little overloaded with bikes. They just ran them all in from outside. Loads of motorcycles, and there's still a bunch out back. By the way, check out the antique ones on the top. From every decade. 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s, millennial. Alrighty y'all, we are heading over into the, these are all for auction. Saturday afternoon, I believe. There's actually going to be more than this. This is just kind of the start. We're a couple days away from that auction. The rough stuff's up front, it looks like. Just all kinds of goodies. Hey, that's a 441 over yonder, I think. BSA down there. I might have to fast forward some of this to... You know what? I'm going to just take some picture and then we'll fast forward through it. We'll put it on high speed. All right, my friends? High speed. All right, my friends? Check that out. Hey, Kawasaki triple. Kawasaki triple. We all saw this bike. Boy, that looks familiar. Hey, Harley with a card on it. Check that out, my friends. Wow. Interesting for sure. Pila. That's some stuff, isn't it? What is this stuff? Indian stuff. Jumping down here, 350 twin. Honda. Gold wings, a couple of them. 360 alley right here. One of the old 175s. I had a lot of fun in one of those. CB650. I remember those when they were new. Good ones. Magna maybe? I think that's what they're, yeah, there's a 365 over yonder. Another one there. Shadows. The 500 sideways. I used to have one just like that, only blue. It's a 500 Titan or something like that. Two-cylinder, two-stroke. I grew up on something like this. Mine was a 100. That's a 250. Yamaha Virago. Nice. Now this is one of the first ones I ever rode with something like this. Only I think it was a single cylinder. I ever got a ride on, I should say. And of course this Can-Am, that actually runs and rolls and everything. Never driven that around earlier. 250 four-wheeler. Another 175 again. Pallets of stuff. Pile of bikes. What is that, a Honda? Yep, that's a Honda. Hey, 65, 66, that's a twin. Got a friend with one of those that runs two of them actually. Get that hot rod. What is that? Is that the old Yamaha? Nope, that's a Honda. Jawa. Beast from that one was just traded in, actually runs everything. That one's in perfect shape. All right, y'all, if you're interested in anything like this, get over to baxtercycle.com, find out what you can on the info there. Get yourself over here, Marnie, Iowa, Saturday. I think it starts at 1 o'clock or something like that. Big old auction. This is just a little bit of what's going to be here. They've got a lot more than this coming. This whole field will be filled all the way to the back. They've been carrying in for hours, so life is good. Life is good. I'm going to go and ride. Y'all do the same. Wahoo! Howdy y'all, Fuzzy Biker here. I was at Baxter Cycle today and they surprised me with this hot rod shirt. Isn't that cool? That's supposed to be me on that motorcycle, by golly. Wahoo! Anyway, if y'all are interested in something like this, baxtercycle.com has got them in stock right now. Wahoo! Yeah, it definitely runs. This is the one that was sitting over there without the front end on it.
Yep.
Oh, I'll be. Look at that.
What is your story?
Good, good job, Brian. Good.